The release of Matthew Vaughn's Argylle is a highly anticipated event in the world of cinema. With Apple Original Films and MARV teaming up to bring this thrilling spy thriller to audiences, the excitement is palpable. Critics have already begun praising the film as a cinematic triumph, further adding to the anticipation surrounding its release. To commemorate the collaboration between MV Agusta, Universal Pictures, and the creators of Argylle, a special one-off Argylle-themed Dragster RR has been unveiled. This unique motorcycle serves as a grand gesture, symbolizing the fusion of high-octane cinema and precision engineering. It's a testament to the synergy between the artistry of filmmaking and the craftsmanship of engineering. Argylle, from the visionary mind of Matthew Vaughn, promises to be a razor-witted, reality-bending spy thriller that will captivate audiences worldwide. With its global release in theaters starting today, fans can finally experience the adrenaline-fueled adventure that awaits them in this epic cinematic journey.